Hello, darling. I'm so happy you're here. Begin by lying down in a comfortable position. Allow your arms to rest gently by your sides and your legs to fall naturally apart. Close your eyes when you're ready and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Exhale slowly, letting go of any tension you may be carrying. Take a moment to settle into stillness. Feel the weight of your body supported by the surface beneath you. With each exhale, allow yourself to sink deeper into this space of rest and relaxation. Now, silently set an intention for your practice. Something that aligns with balance and harmony, perhaps. Let your sankalpa begin with I am, keeping it in the present tense. You might choose I am at peace, or I am balanced in my body, mind, and spirit. Repeat your sankalpa to yourself 3 times, feeling the power of these words. Now, bring your awareness to your right hand. Feel the sensations in your right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger. Move your awareness up through your wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, and shoulder. Shift your attention to your left hand, following along the same journey, starting with your left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder. Now, bring your awareness to both shoulders, sensing the balance between the right and left sides. Move down through your torso, noticing the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Feel the weight of your right leg from hip to toes. Then feel the weight of your left leg from hip to toes. Sense the full weight of your body, balanced and at ease. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply, drawing in a sense of calm. Exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension. Feel the balance between your inhales and exhales, the natural rhythm of your breath, connecting you to Libra's air element. With each breath, Imagine harmony filling your body and your mind. Now, bring your awareness to the heart center, the space in the middle of your chest. Libra's energy is deeply connected to relationships and love. As you inhale, feel a sense of warmth and balance expanding from this space. And as you exhale, allow any tension or heaviness to dissolve. With each breath, feel this balance radiating outward, bringing harmony to your entire being. Gently begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling energy returning to your body. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, silently repeat your sankalpa once more. When you're ready, roll on to your favorite side. Taking a moment here to honor your practice. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying with you the peace and harmony of Libra season. If you found this experience to be relaxing and beneficial, please save this recording so you can come back to it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment here with any of your takeaways. I love hearing from the people who practice with me, and I am so grateful that you are here today. If you feel called to share this with someone you know, or to send a donation, just know that your support allows me to continue this work, and I am immensely honored to be a part of your journey, as well as to have you be a part of mine. I wish you peace, love, and contentment. Namaste.